Today, U.S. health leaders called for a boost in the fight against COVID-19 and the Delta variant. A third dose of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines could come for everyone as early as September 20th. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight at 11. Good to see you. I'm Andrew Kinsey. Yolanda has the evening off. Here is why the CDC director changed the guidance to recommend booster shots for everyone 8 months after your second dose.
We're starting to see waning against infection, not yet against severe disease or hospitalization, but against infection. We're also seeing that you need more protection when it comes to the Delta variant as you might have compared to what you might have needed for other variants.
So the big question tonight, will people be willing to get it? 10 TV's Richard Solomon talked to one man who says he will get it with no hesitation.
It's not a matter of why for John Tolbert, but when.
I never did have any reluctancy to getting the vaccine. I knew that at this point in my life, I needed to be vaccinated.
We learned today that U.S. health leaders will provide COVID-19 booster shots to everyone as protection against the surging Delta variant. You'll be able to get the third dose 8 months after you got the second shot of Pfizer or Moderna. That could be as early as September 20th. And getting his is a choice he's making without hesitation.
I'll get mine in November. It'll be 8 months since I had my last shot.
But his reasoning for staying protected is much deeper and honestly painful.
That I had a friend early on in the pandemic last year that passed away on the part of being, I don't trust it. And probably a month later, he contracted it, and 2 months later, he was gone.
Tolbert says the vaccine and booster shots are meant to prevent this.
But we want to make sure that we have the strongest protection possible.
Charlita B. Tavares is the CEO of Primary One Health.
The expectation is it will strengthen our immune system against the Delta variant.
To Tolbert, he hopes this is a wake-up call for many because he says it shouldn't be a matter of why, but when.
Everybody has a right to make their own decision, but you need to make a decision as to how it may affect others that you love.
Reporting in Columbus, Richard Solomon, 10 TV News.
Now, it's important to note the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is not part of today's announcement, but health experts say booster shots are anticipated for this vaccine as well. But the government is still waiting on more data about booster shots before making an official recommendation.